piece of ground where the chicken coop is going to be placed is all clear. The two young men that I have, Anesu and Munashe, incredibly hardworking young men, are here to continue with the project. So I am so excited to see this project take off. Salibonani, Makadi, hello and welcome to my channel, Kaya's Gogo. My name is Sibongile, and I am just sharing my settling back on this beautiful country in this beautiful city of Bulawayo after having spent quite some time outside the country. So I'm doing this so that I can encourage someone to come back home and settle, or to have someone else who has a desire to see this beautiful piece of country to come and visit. Look, there is no place that doesn't have challenges. I'm not gonna lie to anybody and say everything has gone smoothly. It's not true. Just like when we were living abroad, things did not go well every day. So it's the same applies to being here in Bulawayo. I'm doing very well, settling in well. I'm comfortable here. I am enjoying my retirement. Now, this is to encourage anyone who wants to come back. It can be done. It's doable. Young people, the canvas of this country waits for you to paint on it. It is a beautiful country. It is waiting for talented young people who have faith in this country to come back and put their mark. So hopefully someone will visit, will come and settle, will share this story so that many of us know that it is a beautiful place. So let's go and see what the young men are up to today. They are now going to start the actual work of building the house for the chickens. So come with me. Okay. Saka itori practical guy. Saka iwe Anesu ndiwe master of craft. Saka unenge uchitodzidzisa vanhu nemazvo.
Yeah, nditodzidzisa chaizvo chaizvo. Atipo inopegera.
Okay, so this is day 2, preparing to mix the concrete for the foundation. The trenches are all dug up for the foundation, and that's a prep for the concrete going on. And soon they'll be pouring the concrete. Yay! Thank you for watching. Please support my channel by subscribing. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Till the next video, take care of yourselves and each other. Stay safe. Bye for now.